Here is how to set calendar reminders in Clio Manage. With Clio Manage already open, go to the left-hand navigation menu and click Calendar. This takes you to the area where your events are listed and managed. From there, click New Event if you are creating something new. If the event already exists and you only need to add a reminder, open that event instead. The same reminder options appear in the event form either way. Once the event form is open, enter the event details or review what is already there. Check the event name first so the reminder will be tied to the correct appointment or deadline. Then confirm the date, the start time, and the end time. This is worth reviewing carefully because reminders are based on the scheduled event time. Next, select the calendar where this event belongs. If your account includes more than one calendar, make sure you choose the correct one before moving on. That keeps the event and its reminders associated with the right schedule. If needed, connect the event to a matter or a contact. This step is optional, but if the event relates to a specific file or person, add that association here so the event is organized correctly inside Clio Manage. Now look for the Reminder section in the Calendar event form. This is where reminder notifications are added and adjusted for the event you are working on. Click Add Reminder to create the first reminder. After that, choose when you want the reminder to be sent. You can set it for a specific number of minutes, hours, days, or weeks before the event. Pick the timing that fits the type of appointment or task. For example, a short notice might work for an internal meeting, while a longer notice may be more appropriate for a deadline or client-related event. If you want more than one notification, add another reminder. Clio Manage allows you to include multiple reminders on the same event, so you can set an earlier notice and then a second one closer to the actual start time. Each reminder should reflect the amount of advance notice you want before the event begins. Before saving, review the full event information again along with the reminder settings. Confirm that the name, date, times, calendar selection, and any matter or contact association are all correct. Then check that each reminder is set for the timing you intended. When everything looks right, click Save Event. That saves the calendar event along with the reminder or reminders you added. Thanks for watching. Your Clio Manage calendar event is now saved with the reminder settings you selected.